welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. We love them. If you're a mumpreneur like us, we love a bit of ready, made in advance, bit of shortcuts, yeah? This is Mel from Spice Pots.
Hello.
She runs her own business and I use tons of her products, hence why we've been doing lots of these videos together. What are we making today?
We are making a very lazy vegetable Bhuna. Basically, you don't like chopping, you don't like shopping, or you haven't got anything in that's fresh, you've got frozen vegetables, this is the recipe for you.
Perfect, well that sounds right up my street. Perfect. Okay, so let's get going. So I already, in the pan behind me, so you head over there. In the pan behind me, we put in our a splash of oil, some diced onions. It was 2 cups of diced onions.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, frozen. 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, frozen. So they've all gone into the pot. Now,
good to go.
We took 4 little, tiny little potatoes, like little Charlotte potatoes, and chopped them up.
But we'll pop this in first.
Passata. Perfect. Okay, so we're putting in a tub of passata.
Let me see how many. 500 grams.
500 grams. So just use the whole lot. That's fine. I think they're all roughly, all the tubs are roughly about the same. Perfect.
There we go.
I'll take that from you. So the passata goes in. That's going to help make the curry sauce. And
where
then
the potatoes in?
Potatoes, so just 4 or 5 little tiny Charlotte potatoes, chop them up. Don't worry about peeling them or anything. We don't do that at the back.
Make them nice and small because they will take longer to cook than the butternut squash.
Yeah, so frozen butternut squash, you're using the whole thing, is that right? Ooh, let me just check the recipe, how much we're using. Yes, we're using the whole thing. So frozen butternut squash.
500 grams, is it?
Yep, 500 grams. And it's already chopped for you. You just buy it in the supermarket just like that.
Now we need to put our spices in as well.
And our spices, because last time we did videos together, we made a whole video, we forgot to put the spice pots in.
Whoopsie.
Right, so we've got our stock and the spices to go in, don't we?
Perfect. So this is 2 teaspoons of the Bhuna. Is it 2 teaspoons?
Yep, 2 teaspoons of the Bhuna. Oh, 3 teaspoons.
3. Thought it was looking a bit little. There we go. It's 3.
I love when I do videos and it's not my recipes. It's great. I'm like having a relaxing day today. Well, I'm working hard on the stove. Right, and do you want your stock?
Yes, we'll just loosen up a wee bit with the stock. Just to help the vegetables cook down. Perfect.
And lastly, our garden peas.
Perfect.
She's always desperate to put salt in, and I never salt things. She's desperate to put salt in. If you'd like to put salt in, you can add salt.
Okay. I'll leave this at your house. You can have your salt. And then
Mel salts everything, and I salt nothing. Right, 1 cup of peas.
And that's us done.
And that is us. That is just going to sit. Now, how long should we leave it for?
Just until the vegetables are tender, so probably about 15 minutes. But this is why you need to make sure that you cut the potatoes nice and small.
Perfect. So I'm going to bring it over and let you see what it looks like. Can you see that? Okay, absolutely delicious. It's like a sort of spicy tomato vegetable sauce, isn't it?
It's delicious and it's super low calorie. Whatever, if you're in January or whenever you're trying to lose weight, this is a super low calorie, quick, easy, healthy recipe.
Excellent. Give it a go. This is lazy
vegetable Bhuna.
Vegetable Bhuna. I always want to say lamb when I say Bhuna for some reason. Lazy vegetable Bhuna. You'll get the recipe on my website or on spicepots.com. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.